Okay, so guys, why I'm vlogging today is because people have, these birds have been locked in an airing cupboard for 24 hours straight. And these people haven't been properly looking after them. So we're going to go see what has happened. Guys, I'm sorry if this flips. So, yeah. What's happening is I'm going looking at them. So, yeah. Excuse me. I'm here to get these birds that have been mistreated, apparently. Oh, the birds that have been mistreated? Yes. They're not mistreated, so you can go be on your way. And the RSPCA, please. Go away and let me get these birds sorted with. Because this attitude and these birds in this airing cupboard isn't right. These birds in this airing cupboard, if these birds are in cages, I'm going to be really straight up mad. They should be in cages on a wall, on a fence or anything. They shouldn't be in an airing cupboard. So, let me get these birds started with and I will be on my way. Excuse me. Fine. It's okay. I just start telling man. Got these birds look mistreated, so guys, I'm gonna put you in. So I'm just gonna show you this bird. Oh my god, guys, look at that. That is a bird. That is a straight up bird. So she's got a few helmets on her. So I'm just gonna. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go back out and I'll see you. Sorry guys, I'm gonna see you out. Just stop. Okay, so guys, I'm home and yeah, apparently these birds have been really mistreated. And as you saw before, they look really badly mistreated. So, I'm going to go ahead and see if they'll let me touch them and all that stuff. So, I've got them both on here. As you can see. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get the camera angle. Right. So guys, as you can see, the birds there. Okay, so the birds are here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this cage. Now guys, the best way to do this is facing to you. So I'm just basically facing them to me. As you can see, you can't see them because they're lying down. And yeah, I'm going to just grab the neck. And yeah, as you can see, I've got, you can't see, but as you can see, I've got the bird in control. Can't bite my fingers. And yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to see what the bird is like. Guys, if you can see, that scar on the head is quite a deep wound. So guys, don't worry guys, I've got there. That is a bad wounded scar. So I'm just gonna put her down and I'm gonna get the other birds. So I'm reckoning that this bird is a mum for them too. And that this bird is the dad. Sorry guys, he's really out of control, this bird. Okay, so guys, it took me a few minutes just to get this bird in control. As you can see, no wounded scars. A couple on the head there that I've just realised. The camera focus. If you can see them white patches are scars. Sorry guys if you can't see. Yeah, so them are white patches and yeah, so I'm just going to take a better look at this bird. Okay, so guys, no they're wounded. So yeah, guess it's time to put them back. Okay, so that took me a while to do them too. Now I'm going to quickly grab these two. Now I'm going to do it one at a time because I know that these birds can be quite feisty. So I'm going to go with the male first. Now I don't think he's got his voice yet. So guys, I've got the male. Okay, and he's just getting calmed down. Okay, so I'm not putting any more pressure on him now. Guys, because this male is actually being really good, I can hold him normally. And as you can see underneath the wing, if you can see the colour difference, yeah, it's picking up on camera. Yeah, that is the colour difference. That is the colour it's supposed to be. That is the colour that they are now. So, yeah. And as you can see, that's very dirty. And not them are bruises, guys. Them are bruises. See inside the mouth. Yep, a couple of, no, that is gunk. A lot of it. So as you can see, the black stuff in the mouth is really bad. Guys, it is really bad for them because it can actually lead to damaging. This one doesn't have any teeth. I'm just gonna show you the inside. As you can see, you've got a lot of blue and if you can see from this angle, at 1 minute, as you can see, there we go. So you can kind of see the blue and the black stuff.